Hi guys, today I will learn about second part of introduction to web engineering. Browser to server communications. The first point of the topic. The web browser receives the page back and the connection is closed. Second point, the browser then passes through the page and look for other page element it needs to complete the web page. So it element needs to complete the web page. Those usually include images, templates, etc. Third point is that for each element need, the browser makes additional connections and HTTP requests to the server for each element. Fourth point is that when the browser has finished coding all images, applets, etc., the page will be completely loaded in the browser window. Next topic is that Universal Resource Locator URL. Here is number one point is theme HTTPS. Here host or domain www.google.com.uk. Here third point is path search. Here is the search query. Here is the query. Voice check. Here is the URL, parameter name, parameter value, query string, begin, equal sign, query string separator. Next topic is basic of the www. www is a system of interlinked hypertext document that runs over the internet. Hyperlink hypertext, a format of information which allows one to move from one part of a document to another or from one document to another through hyperlink. Uniform resource locator URL, unique identifiers used to locate a particular resource on the network. Next, markup language defines the structure and content of hypertext document. Next topic is domain names and address resolution. First point is that to connect from computer A to computer B, an IP address is used. Second point, usually people do not use IP addresses directly to access other computers. As a rule name like www.ripafsd.edu.pk are used because they are easy to remember. Next is domain name server or DNS. Distributed database is used to map name to IP address. Next topic is DNS, domain name server service. DNS is a distributed database of computers' names and their corresponding IP addresses. DNS servers are used to host the DNS database and software to use it. Since the DNS database is too large to be stored on any specific computer, only a subset of a database is usually kept on any DNS server. Next topic is name IP address. The job of DNS server is to map the name to an IP address. If the DNS server cannot resolve the domain request because it does not have it in its part of the database, then it redirects the request to a different DNS server. A key element of IP is IP address, a 32-bit number. IP is the responsible for moving packets of data from node to node. A packet contains information such as data to be transferred, the source, destination, IP address, etc. Packets are sent through different local networks through gateways. A checksum is created to ensure the correctness of the data. Corrupted packets are discarded. Next topic is Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP). HTTP is a request response standard of a client and a server. The client making a HTTP request using a web browser, spider, or other end user tool is referred to as a user agent. Next point is that the responding server which stores or creates resources such as HTML file and image, it is called the origin server. Next topic is HTTP error code. When something goes wrong, the web server returns a special error code number. Common error codes number 200 meaning OK, 301 to 303 page has moved permanently or temporarily. 403 you are forbidden to access this page. 404 page not found. 500 internet server error.